Have you ever wondered if reality is truly what we see, or if our minds are weaving it into existence? Today we dive into Jacobo Grinberg's Syntergic Theory, a bold blend of science, psychology, and mysticism that asks, who co-creates reality? It's less about neurons as machines and more about a conversation between mind and a hidden field that connects everything. Stick around. By the end you'll see how perception, unity, and even disappearance tie into a single idea. Let's start by meeting the man behind the theory, then map the invisible web he believed underlies reality. Jacobo Grinberg was a Mexican psychologist and neuroscientist who refused to stay inside one box. He trained in rigorous science, but he also studied shamans, meditation, and altered states, bridging lab and ritual. Imagine a scientist at a jungle fire recording chants and brain waves, trying to see how those experiences shape perception. His work culminated in a map. Consciousness isn't only in the skull, it's a relationship with something more. That something more he called the lattice, a hidden web that carries information about reality. Next, what is this lattice, and how does our brain sculpt the world from it? Grinberg's core idea, a lattice, an invisible information field, permeates everything. Think of it as a cosmic web of possibilities. Imagine reality like clay, and your brain as the potter. The lattice supplies the clay, the brain shapes it. The brain isn't a camera, it's a filter, a sculptor. Patterns of attention and organization carve the world we experience. Every sensation is the result of how our nervous system organizes input from that underlying field. Two people can stand in the same room and map slightly different worlds because each brain sculpts the lattice uniquely. So what happens when that sculpting is clear and synchronized, and when it's fragmented? We move into the next question: perception and unity. Think of perception like tuning a radio. Focused, harmonious brains receive clear stations, distracted minds hear static. When attention synchronizes with the lattice, moments of clarity, intuition, even unity can arise. When the mind fragments, the link to the lattice becomes noisy, the world narrows, creativity and insight dim. Lesson 1. Reality is co-created. Our perception participates in shaping what's out there. Lesson 2. Consciousness is expansive. Practices like meditation tune us to wider ranges of experience. Lesson 3. Unity is possible. The lattice links us, blurring strict boundaries between self and world. Lesson 4. Practical implication, creativity, mindfulness, and focused practice refine our interaction with the lattice. The story has a mystery. In 1994, Grinberg disappeared without a trace. No definitive explanation exists. Some suggest foul play, others whisper he transcended ordinary space. The truth remains unsettled and strangely fitting. What does syntergic theory leave us? A powerful image. Reality as a living dance between mind and an information field. We're not passive observers. Each attention, each choice, sculpts the world. That's both humbling and empowering. So ask yourself, what version of reality am I sculpting today? How might discipline change what I can perceive? Jacobo Grinberg offered a map, part science, part poetic insight. Use it as a prompt, not a proof. Keep exploring, keep questioning. If this intrigued you, subscribe and join the conversation. Until next time, keep questioning reality.